pot for Greek, Turkish or Armenian coffee. Simple pot. There is the coffee. This is 100% Robusta Armenian. I got it from the duty free, so it's probably the lowest quality. It's probably the lowest quality of Armenian coffee, but it's what I could find. Write in the comment section below which is the best brand for Armenian coffee. I have this 100% Robusta, and I also have this, which is, don't know whatever this is here, don't know whatever this thing means here, but fortunately they have it in English at the back. Armenian coffee, Anush, I guess this is the brand. Arabica 70%, Robusta 30%. This is similar to Cyprus coffee, I think. This is very similar to the Cyprus coffee mix. This is very similar to the Cyprus coffee mix. And the taste is almost not the same. So I guess this is more like Turkish coffee or Greek coffee. I'm not trying to offend anyone, so if you feel offended, please forgive my ignorance. This is just coffee here. This is an Armenian coffee. I bought from the duty free. I bought them both from the duty free, and I like this one more. I think it's because of the Robusta 100%. It's more interesting. It has this more nutty flavor. I wish you could smell this. I'm doing this with one hand. Okay. Let's smell it. It smells like cheap coffee from the coffee machines. No, actually it smells really interesting. So I'll try it. First pour the water in the cup. If you make one coffee like that, make sure the spoon is dry and get that nice coffee. A nice big, oh, this is gonna be, oh no. I have to do it with one hand. Okay. This is the coffee. Normally you should put it in hot. You should normally heat up the water first and then put the coffee, but this is not ideal conditions. I do it like the Greek style to mix it. Mix it really well. Oh, too much, oh no, too much mixing. This coffee everywhere. Okay. I guess now, no. put a bit more coffee. No, put a bit more. Don't forget to seal the coffee, keep it fresh. It's not so easy. Okay, now it's the waiting game. You don't mix it again. Let it sit there. I like to turn it like this around. And the water, the coffee shouldn't boil. As soon as you start to see it foaming up and it's trying to boil, you remove it from the heat. See, it's already starting to make some kind of foam there. So it's looking good already. Half the cup ready. I think it's ready, but I will boil it a little bit more. Okay. It tried to boil, so we are it's making more foam. Now it's the best part, to put the coffee. If you have multiple cups, put this beginning, this crema, the foam, put it at a little bit in each cup, so everyone can have this nice stuff. But now it's just one cup. And whatever is left on the bottom, leave it there. And this is an Armenian coffee, made with Armenian coffee, Armenian style, Greek style, Turkish style. See, I believe it's almost the same coffee: Turkish coffee or Greek coffee, Cyprus coffee, Armenian coffee, Arabic coffee maybe. There are differences, so the flavor of the coffee will be different. So this one is for sure Armenian flavor. Let's try. It has a really smooth taste, like a bit like nutty flavor. I like it. Okay, thumbs up for the coffee. You should watch this. Keep it ready for next time. Keep it ready for next time. Still hot, so I'll take it like that. Perfect.